Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their neat receipts mobile portable scanner, the BestCH USB cable. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed as a data sync cord lead for a range of neat receipts models, including the NM-1000, NR-030108, 322, 346, and 3271, ensuring your digital filing system stays connected and efficient. What makes this particular cable stand out? Well, for starters, it's a high-speed USB 2A male to mini-B cable, which is crucial for reliable and swift data transfer between your scanner and your PC or laptop. At a convenient length of 3 feet, or 1 meter, it offers enough reach without creating unnecessary clutter on your desk. The black color gives it a sleek, professional look that blends seamlessly with most office setups. One of the most important aspects to consider when purchasing replacement cables is quality and safety. This BestCH product comes with some impressive credentials. It's CE, FCC, and RoHS approved, which means it meets stringent international standards for safety and environmental compliance. The manufacturer also highlights that their products are designed with protection features like overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, and short-circuit safeguards. While these are often associated more directly with power adapters, their inclusion in the product description speaks volumes about BestCH's commitment to producing reliable and safe accessories across their range, ensuring peace of mind for users. It's important to note that this is a replacement cable, not an original neat receipts branded product. However, BestCH assures us that all their laptop chargers and cables have undergone 100% testing to ensure perfect compatibility and functionality with the specific models listed in the title. This dedication to testing means you can trust it to perform just as effectively as the original, allowing you to sync your scan documents without a hitch. The construction of the cable utilizes composite, plastic, and metal materials, indicating a durable build designed to withstand regular use. For anyone who frequently uses their neat receipts scanner to digitize documents, having a dependable data sync cable is non-negotiable. This BestCH offering provides a robust and certified solution to keep your workflow smooth. Just remember to double-check that your scanner's brand and model number align perfectly with those mentioned, to guarantee you're getting the right fit for your device. It's a small step that saves a lot of hassle. This cable truly aims to be a reliable workhorse for your digital filing needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.